Howdy, it's still afternoon here. This is another little nuke that we started up from one of the queens or queen cells from 302. And we're going to take a look see at it today. This one here has a yellow queen. She was hatched on the 5/28. She was still walking around on the 5th of this month, and I marked her on 6/11. Must be the time I marked all of them. Yep. They were all hatched and laying about the same time. No queen, no bugs. Oh yeah. Put peppermint patty in that one. Forgot to do that. But we're not far away from anything. Oh. This one here's got a little wax that we took out last time. We just left the wax in there. We'll put it in the melter. We have a little bit of pollen still here. They look like they're building out better than the other ones. Marking for a queen cell. We first did this, it was one frame. One little nuke box. This one over here that we just looked at was in a little 2-framer. I think it's a 2-frame. And they all were at one time 2-frame or 3-frame. Okay, this one here has some pollen. And a yellow queen. So see, people, you can do it. Now once the weather starts to change, you can't do it. There's probably some eggs in there somewhere. But we're not worried about the eggs. We saw the queen. There she is again. People say they don't go to the outside. You see where they've at. Got a lot of them that goes to the outside. We may need to clean the bottom on this one. Okay, this one here, some of the wax that I cut off, put down. This one here has some nectar. No, it don't. Yeah, it does. Has a little bit of nectar, a little bit of pollen. It has a little bit of capped brood. It has larvae. It has eggs. So you can take a frame like that and start a new hive. If you've got one with some food in it too now. Because they got to feed all these little babies. Oh yeah, she's a good layer. She's been laying good. This one here has capped brood, honey, nectar, eggs, larvae, capped brood, like I say, she was hatched on the 28th, marked on the 11th. She was marked because she was laying eggs, and she was laying eggs good. Okay, take this one out the middle. Yeah, I think we'll need to clean the bottom too. This one here has some nectar. It has some eggs. And that's that one. This one here, I'm sure just has stores in it. Eee. This one has honey and nectar, both sides. So I think that's going to be a honey frame. What do you think? And that's pure honey. Let's move these all over. This is one of the boxes that I should have made. It was bigger. Okay. And that's what they are. Okay, everything looks good. Give it a little bit of piling here. I'll go get me a bucket of water and I'll come back and give them all some water. This we're going to take, put over here. This has vent holes. Take it, we're going to set it here. Give them some food. They say we may get more rain tonight, people. How about that? We don't need the wind that we had last night, though. Like I say, it just moved some tops around. Didn't hurt nothing. Didn't throw none of my beehives across the yard like it's done in the past. But yeah, this is 221. This one over here is 426. This is 617. We have a yellow queen, eggs, brood. Okay, y'all give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching. We're going to keep a close eye on these. Like I say, this will be in the playlist of 302. Okay, y'all have a great day. Be careful out there.